Incandescent.
Burnt out incandescent
light bulb. This time in the bathroom. This is the second of the 3 bulbs I put in this fixture when I moved in to burn out. This one has lasted about 4 years. The first one failed a couple months ago. Now this one has failed, and we'll see how long it takes for the third one to fail. These incandescent bulbs seem to have a pretty significantly varying lifespan per bulb. All 3 of these run exactly the same amount of time every day, and one of them failed probably hundreds of hours before the other 2, and the third might last another couple hundred hours. We need to get a fresh incandescent bulb. Here's a whole
box
of incandescent bulbs, looking for a 100 watts equivalent. This is 43 watts. That's a 43 watts. Here we go. This is what I wanted. A 72 watts halogen the bulb. Echo dumb, not hungry, halogen incandescent bulb. I don't know where these came from. It's kind of interesting bulbs. So much easier to get incandescent bulbs out now than it used to be. Oh, you know what? We're gonna need a vacuum. Forgot about this. Nothing can ever just be simple and normal around here. New incandescent bulb. Ow. Why is this taking so long to come out?
get out.
Okay, so this was a 72 watts as well. That's what I figured. Okay, let's put in the new one. Ah, much better. This bulb is defective. What the heck?
You're kidding. This bulb is defective. Look at the stinking, the thing is not crooked. It's a defective light bulb.
Well, even though it's defective, we'll use it anyways because it probably will still work just fine. I don't know why that's moving around like that. Now this needs to be cleaned. The globes are getting kind of dusty, but we're not going to clean it today. Okay, the incandescent bulbs are all working once again. Now we have to cancel out the burnt out incandescent bulb.
Hello?
Oh, what a mess. Why is there busted glass all over the floor?